My name is Anni Holm. I was born in Randers, Denmark in 1977, but have been based in the Chicago area since 1999. As a conceptual artist, I work in a variety of media. I've always been drawn to repurposing materials because I'm interested in how the story behind the object informs the final piece. I love the possibilities that lay in creating new work in collaboration with others because it provides opportunities to connect, share experiences, and reflect on the artwork as it's made. Assimilātus Mōbilis is an art installation composed of just over 300 Danish flag ribbons, previously worn by members of the Danish Brotherhood. During a week in August of 2017, I was fortunate to work with a group of dedicated volunteers at the museum to repair and transform these ribbons into a mobile that bears resemblance to a stars and stripes interspersed with smaller Danish flags. As a Danish immigrant who nearly has lived half of my life in the States, I at times feel neither Danish nor American, while at other times feel very Danish or very American. I envision that this piece will provide Danes living in the United States as well as Danish Americans with a visual that clearly depicts the ever-evolving feeling of who we are or have become. It is also my hope that Assimilātus Mōbilis will serve as a connection point between the past, present, and future, making the past more relevant to those of us who tend to live in the now and inspire those that live in the past to explore the now. Personally, this piece also serves as a celebration of the ability for Danes in America to obtain dual citizenship, which finally was made possible by the Danish government in 2015. I would like to thank the Iowa Arts Council, the Museum of Danish America, and all its dedicated staff, volunteers, and visitors, my husband, my kids, and everyone else who took an active role in the making of Assimilātus Mōbilis. I am grateful to have worked with all of you. Thank you.